Candy and I are at the Japanese 100 yen shop. There's actually several different kinds. It's mainly called Daiso, like Daiso. This one is like a special brand called Seria, but it's within a department store. But this is also a 100 yen store. So there's like different versions of it.
Yeah, my sister particularly took us to this one because she said the quality of this store is pretty good. So she said you should look at stuff here. So that's why we decided to come to this one.
Yeah, and so far we're liking what we see. So we're just wanting to give you a little tour of like the great stuff you can get.
For just 100 yen.
Which is about $1.
Yes, about $1.
Okay, so we're in the kitchen section here.
And this is outdoor goods right here.
Oh, so
I don't
kitchen.
know why that's there. It's probably the other side.
Oh, okay. Well, this side is kitchen too.
Goods, but right here is just outdoor
goods. So this is
goods.
the outdoor kitchen stuff.
Like if you go camping and stuff, these are like camping type things.
Okay, so camping utensils.
Yeah, and I saw this, which I'm like, oh, this comes in handy. You can basically put this hook to a table or a pole, and then you can hang your plastic bags. So, you know, if you're camping and you need a little trash can, or if you're cooking and you need to put things into a little plastic bag, this comes in handy.
That is handy.
So, I feel like I need this for some reason. I don't go camping very often, but this might come in.
But you could use it for other things.
Yeah, so I think I'm going to put this in my shopping basket.
Yeah, you got to go get a shopping basket.
Yeah,
Speaking of.
Yes. Okay.
So this whole section right here is all kitchen goods actually, which is insane. But Japan thinks of like the most clever things you can get, and they have the cutest things too. I mean, look at this like cute mug right here. This is just an example, but just a simple cute mug.
I like this one.
So cute.
Plain black.
Yeah.
$1.
And I love their little dishes. Ugh, just love these.
I got a cute one like a bear.
I know.
Oh my gosh, look at this. This is like great for like a little soy sauce.
Oh wow, I love it.
It's adorable.
And I even like this little dish.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, so cute. Isn't that cute? All right, mom found something cute.
Okay, let's find out.
A pet bottle cover.
Oh my gosh,
That's
this is
so
cute.
Candy's hooked, she got it.
I like it.
In the basket.
If you're a bento lover, there's all these little bento things here.
Yeah, I usually get like, not that, that's cute
so
though.
Cute.
These little things because you put soy sauce in here.
Oh my gosh, look at these things for mayonnaise.
Oh, it's adorable. And this is so you can make little rice balls. See, I always get these, these like little toothpicks.
Toothpicks are so cute.
But I finally stopped because I have so many now.
Yeah. Look at these sushi ones.
Adorable.
You can even just get like simple.
Oh, I love that one though.
It's very simple.
That's so cute.
これもなんか面白いじゃん。You can learn about dinosaurs. Yeah. かわいいランドセルとかがある。School supply picks. So you would think these are like cupcake holders, but they're actually dividers for the bento boxes when you put different food in between. So they have like a variety of designs for that as well.
They have like, you know, wide versions here. And then like smaller circular versions.
And there's like bigger ones here.
Bigger ones.
And now they have more of that silicone cup kind, so it's reusable.
Yeah.
Those are nice. And then if you want some bento bags, you can get them here. But I like to get my own like bento stuff somewhere else instead of the 100 yen. Like the things you put inside, I like to buy here, but bags and actual bento boxes, I like to buy somewhere else and not a 100 yen one.
So here's some bento boxes, like if you wanted to get a 100 yen one, like they do have them here. It's just a little bit smaller and it's a little bit cheaply made, but you know, it's still useful. This is basically what they use. Still in the kitchen goods. Kitchen goods is like humongous, but they also have a variety of chopsticks you can get too for 100 yen. And I like getting these because they have ridges on the bottom, so it's easier to grab things. because they have different styles. And a lot of the chopsticks, you know, it's kind of like smooth like this with no ridges. But when they do have ridges, it's easy to pick up things, easier. So I usually get, I don't know, like a few of these and then come back to Japan and get some more. So I like this flower one, this is cute.
If you're someone that likes cooking and you're looking for something to use for ginger, to grate fresh ginger, this is a really good tool to have.
The best, yeah. Yes. It's actually, you can't find this in American stores. You have to go to an Asian store to get something like this.
Yeah.
But actually I got it for a couple of my friends years ago when I was teaching them how to cook something and they needed a great ginger. They need one of these things, so I went to an Asian store and got this. But this one also has like a slicer
Which
too.
is great too for like thinly sliced cucumber.
Yeah.
Which doesn't work very good for cabbage, which I love cabbage, and I just noticed they have one for cabbage.
This is for cabbage.
Yay!
All
this
right.
is for me. I need to get this.
I want this too.
You want this too?
Yeah. And I want this, so.
Okay.
Both of these. I also like these plastic peelers because I'm very clumsy and I cut myself often in the kitchen. So the metal really scares me when I peel or cut things. This is plastic and it does just fine. Like I've used them plenty of times peeling carrots and potatoes and it works great. So if you're worried about safety, like these are awesome. Look at these cute little trash cans. You just pop it in there. That's so convenient. But I don't think I would ever need like a little trash can like this. This is too tiny for me. Candy was looking for something more simple, but these are like more rectangular shape. And
I think they're containers.
Are they containers?
Maybe it is a trash can.
Yeah, I think it is.
Oh, okay.
But if you need a small trash can, they have plenty of different sizes here. Now we've finally transitioned into something else. We're on laundry goods, and I always like to get these laundry bags because they don't really sell these in the States. I mean, maybe I've seen
they
some.
do for like bras.
Yeah, but not for like, you know, bigger bags like shirts and stuff. It's a little bit harder to find. So yeah, I usually will get like 2 or 3 of them every year, or every time I come to Japan. I get these two. So as you may know, Japan has always worn masks, even before the pandemic. But they've always had like different variety you can choose from. I've actually haven't seen this many at a 100 yen store before. Now they have all these different kinds where this is called a premium mask. This is the KN95, where you'll see in the States a lot. But it looks more comfortable. This is a 3D mask. This is Kita mask, which means pretty mask. 2D fit versus a 3D mask. I'm not sure what the difference is.
There's like ones that
different colors.
Good for glasses. They don't fog up.
Yeah.
There's one with gradation color, it looks like.
Oh, nice.
This says Dork Premium.
Also, if you want cute little socks, and if you have small feet, they have all different kinds of cute Japanese socks here. You can even get Disney character ones like Little Mermaid, chipmunks.
Monsters.
Who's this?
I don't know.
Who is this?
What Disney princess is that?
I have no idea who this princess is.
I don't know either. Okay, we're gonna walk over to the other side.
There's another side here.
Still got a lot to cover.
Oh my. Okay, so this is the toy section. So they have like a lot of cheap toys you can get for your kids if you need to. I'm like, this is fun. This little pie cake thing. It's like there's so much to look at. This is like all knitting, which we don't really do. It's like home improvement, gardening tools. Look at this little shovel, this mini shovel. I feel like it'll break easily, but I don't know.
Garden arm covers.
Uh-huh.
It's nice. I wonder if there's any cute garden decorations. Not that.
What is this?
Oh, there is. Look at these cute garden decorations. My neighbor has a garden.
Yeah.
So I'm like, maybe for Omiyage.
Oh,
I can get her.
these are even cute, these little cans here.
Are those flower pots?
Yeah.
Oh, how cute. Look at that.
They're so cute.
Like these would be cute like on the wall. You know?
Yeah. So here's the travel section. It used to be a lot bigger. Well, not a lot, but they used to have a lot more things. But since the pandemic, they don't have much of a section anymore. I'm sure it'll grow again because they've just opened up their borders. But, you know, you can get little things like eye masks, you know, which I think these are great because if you forgot your eye mask and want to get one, these work just fine. I've gotten them at the 100 yen store and they're pretty comfortable. And they have like different versions too, like this one, you know, seems like it's a little bit more padded. So you can choose from a variety. They also have a grooming set. So if you forgot stuff like tweezers or nail clips, then you can, or nail clipper, you can get it here. A belt for your luggage bag. And they have some bands to hold your items together. I like to get little bags like this too. Japan loves to make these bags, like little bags like this, where you separate your items in like these little it's like Ziploc bags, but it's cuter. And kind of like the mesh laundry bags I saw earlier, but this is like for travel if you want to separate your items in your luggage. You know, they have like some travel size containers or if you want to put your shampoo and conditioner in there. I also have a contact lens case if you forgot that. Some earplugs on a travel case. I actually like this. Where you can put your lashes in and stuff. And it's like nice and kind of thin, so I might get this actually. Only in Japan can you find like these zippered bags like this in all different sizes. And I use this a lot just for anything. It could be from stationery to a lot of my camera goods. Like I separate batteries and cables in these little bags, and it's semi-clear and it's actually durable too. So I usually get a whole bunch of these different sizes every time I come to the 100 yen store. Yeah, so they have ones where you can, put different things. There's 2 zippers, one in here, one up there. They have them in different colors, like pink. And then they have like big sizes like this. And they even have it in like this black color. Work documents, you can put it in here as well. So yeah, I like to get a variety.
We're in the car section, and my sister, when we've been riding with her, she has a lot of these in her cars. And we're like, oh man, that's so handy because we always we don't have a place to put our bags. We have dogs and we have to put a lot of stuff up, and we don't want to just lay it on the floor or on the chair. So these are great because they can hook right onto the chair where the headrest is in between there. And then you can hang stuff on it. And it's pretty durable too. So I think we're both gonna get one of these. They have so many new things, like this holds plastic bags. So if you wanna just stick this on the side of your car and you wanna make a little trash can, that's good. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is a magnet for your phone. There's another little clip for gloves and hats. So yeah, lots of little nifty little devices for your car that I can't really find in the States. So I really like coming to the car section here. I think it's the same,
More hooks?
more hooks, yeah. I might need some driving gloves.
I already have a garbage bag, but I like this. It's cuter. Or a
I know,
tissue
mine's
box.
breaking.
I also need a tissue box. I need everything.
Here's one for just stuff in the back.
Yeah. Cindy, our little sister, likes little sis, likes this one because it organizes the wires for you in the car. So she'll put a mask on it.
You know,
or
like an
caps.
iPhone charger, you know, it's always just like dangling. You put it up nicely.
Thanks for the tip, Cindy.
Anytime.
Okay, I think we did a lot of shopping for today.
Yes.
Found lots of goods. There's so much more you can find here at a Daiso or a 100 yen store. It's amazing. Like you
Yeah.
cannot buy everything in like one shot.
We already got a basket full of stuff, and these are like all little items piled up. So
Yeah, look
yeah,
at all this
look
stuff.
at all the stuff we got. We got to separate this. So
Yeah.
yeah, we spent quite a bit of time in here, found a lot of stuff. I swear every time we come back, we find something new, or we need to replenish the things that we bought before.
So true. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
Bye.